Hello friends, you are most welcome at my channel. Click on subscribe button. Please don't skip watch complete video. Let's go.
Welcome to Yoga News HD 2.0. Kimberly Loaiza is a Mexican social media influencer and content creator born on December 12, 1997 in Mexicali, Mexico. Early life. Grew up in a close-knit family. Developed a passion for music and dance. Career. Started her YouTube channel in 2016, focusing on beauty, lifestyle, and music. Gained massive popularity, surpassing 20 million subscribers. Expanded to other platforms like Instagram, 40+ million followers, and TikTok, 30+ million followers. Collaborated with top brands and artists. Released her own music singles. Personal life. Married to Wanda Dios Pantoja, a fellow YouTuber. Mother of 2 children, Juanito and Kimberly. Achievements. Won the Favorite Beauty Influencer award at the 2020 Kids' Choice Awards Mexico. Featured in Forbes Mexico's 100 Most Influential Mexicans list. Kimberly Loaiza has become a prominent figure in Latin American social media, inspiring millions with her creativity, talent, and authenticity. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.